Welcome to the kitchen. Today, we're making the ultimate comfort food.
Hamburger Mac. Get ready for pure deliciousness.
First, we get 1 pound of ground beef sizzling hot in the skillet.
And don't forget the finely diced onions. They're key to great flavor.
Now, 2 of minced garlic and that onion join the party.
Then a touch of 6 ounces of rich tomato paste for that deep, savory base.
Time to season. 1 teaspoon each of paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder.
And a half teaspoon of dried mustard. Stir it all together for amazing aroma.
Pour in 2 cups of beef broth for depth, then 1 cup of milk for richness.
Let it simmer gently. This is where all those incredible flavors meld.
Our perfectly cooked 8 ounces of macaroni goes right into the sauce.
Then, the best part, 2 cups of cheddar cheese melting into pure comfort.
And there it is, your incredible homemade hamburger mac.
Absolutely delicious. You'll love this easy, comforting meal.
Can you believe these flavor algorithms?
I know, it's like cooking with a cheat code.